हेलो। हाँ, मराठे सर। हेलो।
हो ते जमा करून घेऊ ना पण ते आम्ही लावू घरापासून 10 मीटर तरी दूर राहावं.
हेलो। Shall we start? हाँ, मराठे सर। हेलो।
चांगल्या प्रकारे
हा हॅलो सर.
हा बोला सर.
हा सर. तुम्ही co-host झालेत सर.
ओके ओके सर.
Okay. So, dear participants, I welcome Dr. Patki sir for this session. Now I request Dr. Patki sir to deliver his lecture. Patki
Okay,
sir,
sir.
over to you.
Okay, sir. Yes. So good afternoon to all. So basically, most of the things that requires for data handling, data representation, and data manipulation. So most of the things I think we have discussed. In addition to this data handling, Microsoft Microsoft Excel, it provides some additional features. Okay, so out of which one of the option that is provided by Excel, it is a review. Okay, first of all, I will share this screen. Just I will require interface. Okay, so is it visible?
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay. So see, just briefly, I will explain this tab: file, then home. Okay, so all these things, all tabs we have discussed. Insert. See what are the contents of this insert tab? Okay. Then page layout. In the last lecture, I have explained formulas. Okay, so we have seen. Then data. Okay, so we have seen this data validation. Now today we will see this review tab. Now this is most commonly used tab, that is review tab. Basically, all the previous tabs, they were written for particularly data analysis purpose. Okay. Now this review tab, it is provided as an additional feature for the users. Okay. So see what does this review tab contain? The first one is the proofing.
Characteristic of the
So please mute your mic. Somebody. Okay. So first one is the proofing, then language, then comments and changes. So these are the 4 different options that are available with the review tab. Okay. Now we will see this one by one. Now the first option which is available with this review tab, it is a spelling. So most of you are familiar with the spelling. Okay, many times the red line is shown. Okay, whenever you are using the Microsoft applications, means Microsoft Office applications, the red line is shown. Okay, why it is shown? Because there is a spelling mistake. So in Excel also, it provides this spelling facility. Suppose I am typing SCI, then CE. Okay. Now see, I will check here spelling, the spelling option. Okay. Now, as soon as I have clicked on the spelling, it will show this dialog box, which contains the actual word that you have typed and the suggestions. Okay. So this is a wrong word, and these are the suggestions. That is since science. So actually I want to type this science. So I will just click this and please. So I will write here change. Okay. So now there are 2 options, that is change and change all. Okay. Many times what happens, the same word, it is written many times. Same word is written many times. Okay. And for all words, there is a spelling mistake. Now, if you want to change all the words, so you can select this change all. Okay. And this change option will change the current word. So I will close this. Now this is science. This is science. Okay. Now see here again there are some additional options. Autocorrect. Now this is one of the best feature of the Microsoft Excel. So autocorrect means many times what happens whenever we are typing on by using the keyboard. Okay. So by mistake, instead of typing this word, suppose that. Okay, what I type like this. Okay, this is manual mistake. Instead of typing THAT, I am typing THTA. Okay, so whenever such a spelling mistake is there, okay, so you can select this option, that is the autocorrect. So whenever I am typing such type of words, so see here it has given the suggestion, that is that. So I will type here autocorrect. Okay, so whenever you type such type of words, it will automatically correct that word. That is the autocorrect option. Then already spellings are corrected. So what I will do, I will type another word. KIET. Okay. Now see again, I will click on the spelling. Now it has given the different options. So see here, I have explained change all, autocorrect. Now this is one more option, that is add to dictionary. So many times what happens, frequently in my word, in my document, I am typing the words Nanded. Okay, that is the name of city. Okay, so noun is never present in the dictionary. That's why whenever you type any noun, जे कोणाचे जेव्हा तुम्ही नाव लिहिता, so it shows the spelling mistake. It shows the red line. Okay, so in such case, whenever frequently you want to type the same name, okay, so you can directly add that into the dictionary. So add to dictionary. Okay, so whenever I will type the Nanded, now it will not do the wrong, means it will not do the spelling mistake, because I have added that into dictionary. So actually dictionary, it is internally present in the that is the Microsoft bundle. So whenever you type any word, okay, it will be compared with that dictionary, the contents of that dictionary. Okay, if it is matched, then it will not show the spelling mistake. If it doesn't match, then it will show the red line. Okay, so using this option, you can add the word into the dictionary. So then ignore, if you want to ignore it, you can ignore all. So all these are the options present with the first, that is spelling. Now see the second one. Now second is very interesting. Okay, now second actually it is combinedly used, that is research and research. Okay, now consider I have typed one word, suppose product, same word. Okay, now see what is the use of these two options. So I will select this product option, I will click on the research. Okay, now immediately as soon as I have clicked on this research and this pages, it will show the similar words to the product. It will show the similar word to the product, that is amount, number, measure, extent, size, magnitude, mass, and so on. So all these are the similar words to this product. Similarly here, now this research option, it will show the similar word, whereas this feature options, this features option, it will show the related word. So see here, instead of product, I will type another word. So I will close this window first. I will type here computer. Okay, now related to computer word, which are the different words? Okay, it will show here. So I will click on this computer, then features. Now see here, easily you can see what are the different words which are similar to the computer. So computer, processor, CPU, mainframe, super computer, workstation, PC, laptop, notepad, palm top. So all these are the similar words, or not similar word actually, which are the related word to the computer. जे कॉम्प्युटर ह्या शब्दाच्या रिलेटेड वर्ड कोणते कोणते आपण कॉमनली यूज करतो. So it is shown by this features option. Okay, So this is the research and this is the features. Now one more best option which is available in the review, it is a language. Okay, and only one tab is there, that is the translate. Now see, I have typed here one sentence, that is I am learning Excel. I am learning Excel. Okay, so this translate option, it will translate your text into another language. It will translate this particular sentence into another language. So click on this translate. Okay, now here it is searching. Now it has given the different possible options from English US. So currently we are using this English US language. Okay, to which language you want to convert? So I want to convert in Hindi. So let us see whether there is a Marathi option. Marathi option. Marathi is not there. So I will select the Hindi option. Okay, and I will select here insert. So immediately your text is translated into Hindi language. Okay, मैं Excel सीख रहा हूँ. Okay, one more we will try.
5 मिनट शेवट से.
India is my country. Okay, so I will click on this. I will select the translate option. Okay, again Hindi, I will insert here. Okay, so this is the very best feature provided by the Microsoft Excel, that is translate. But for using this option, you should have the network connection. Okay, because all these things, that is translators, they are not available in the Microsoft Office. So online, it will attach your software with that particular option, and then it will use this. So without internet, you cannot use this option, that is translate. Okay, so first two tabs I have explained, that is proofing, English spelling, research. In second tab, language, to convert the one text into another language, into one language into another language. Now let us see the third one. Now this is the comment. Okay, now generally comments, they are used to guide the user. They are used to guide the user, or they are used to tell something. Okay, so for each cell, you can show the you can write the comment. Okay, for example, for this particular cell, I can write the comment. Okay, so I will click on the new comment. So immediately this text box is displayed here. Okay, and I can type here. Unnecessary some noises are coming. Okay, so I will type here good cell. Okay, so this is my first comment that I have given. Here I will write the comment. Low cell. Okay, then suppose here I will write the comment. To be improved. Okay, so what is the use of actually comments? So whenever you move the cursor on this particular cell, so immediately it will show the comment. It will show the information that you have written regarding that particular cell. Okay, so whenever I will move the cursor here, it will show good cell. Here, low cell. Here, that is to be improved. Okay, so all these are the comments that are shown. Now with this comment, these are the different options. So I will click on the comment. So you can remove this comment. Okay, you can hide this comment, show or hide this comment. It will toggle between these. So if I click on this, it will show. If I click this on this particular, it will hide that. Okay, then previous, next, again next, previous. Okay, then again delete. So I can delete the comment. So comment will be deleted. Okay, so in this way you can additionally provide the information to the user, okay, by using the comments. Then the next tab, that is the changes. Okay, now see, many times what happens, we are using the Excel sheet, we are creating the Excel sheet, we are entering the important data, okay, but many times what happens, unwanted user, he open our sheets and he makes some modifications, okay. So in such case, we have to protect our sheets, so that unwanted user cannot modify the contents of my sheet. So this is done by using these three important options, that is protect sheet, protect workbook, and share workbook. Okay, now the first one is a protect worksheet, protect the worksheet. So I will select this option. Okay, Sri Krishna Hambarde, please mute your mic.
Sorry, sir.
So we are now protecting our sheet first. Now this is the sheet. Now, so one thing again I am telling, see, worksheets and workbooks are different. Okay, here you will see the two options, protect sheet and protect workbook. So what is my worksheet? Worksheet is a single sheet on which you are working. Okay, so if you see at the bottom, this is sheet 1, this is sheet 2, this is sheet 3, and so on. Okay, so sheet is a single single sheet on which you are entering your data and you are storing your data. Okay, whereas workbook, it is a collection of sheets. It is a collection of sheets, or in simple language, you can say that workbook is nothing but it is a name given to your Excel file. Excel file आपण जे नाव दिलं, okay, जी फाईल तयार होती त्या फाईललाच आपण काय म्हणतो, it is called as a workbook. So workbook may contain multiple sheets. Workbook may contain multiple sheets. Okay, so this is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Now I can add the additional sheets. I can add the additional sheets likewise. So number of sheets I can add into a single workbook. Okay, so first option is protect the sheet, means I am means protecting my sheet, single sheet. So I will click on the protect. Okay, so as soon as I have clicked on the protect, now it will show the different options. Allow all user for this worksheet to. Now nothing, no permission I have given here. Okay, I have not given any permission, so everything is unchecked. Everything is unchecked, means no permission is given. So how to protect the sheet? Password to unprotect the sheet. So first of all, I have to enter the password. So I will type here, suppose SCN123. I enter your password. Okay. So again, retype your password, SCN123, and again press OK. Okay. Now see, I will try to modify this sheet. So immediately it will give the error message. That is, the cell or chat that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. Means you can only read the contents of this text. Means suppose I want to, I will try to modify this. No, it is not giving the permission because my sheet is protected. My sheet is protected. So how to unprotect? Again, click on this unprotect. Okay, enter the password. So what password we are given? SCN123. So click on the OK. Okay, so see here, now I can make the modification. So I am deleting this. I will delete this. I will delete this. Okay, so in this way, now I can able to modify the contents of my sheet. Okay. Now the next one is a protect workbook. Protect the workbook. So same option. So protect workbook. So I will click on this protect workbook. So I want to protect the complete structure of my workbook. So structure means how many sheets are there. So sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. So I am not giving the permission to the user to add additional sheets. Okay. So I will give the I will give the password again, SCN123. I will click on the OK. So again, SCN123. Okay. Okay. Now see here, I will try to add the sheet. Okay. So it is not giving the permission. It is not giving the permission. I have to work only on the particular sheet, or I want to delete this sheet. So every option is disabled. You can observe here. So every option is disabled. I cannot insert new sheet. I cannot delete. I cannot rename. I cannot move. Okay. So no operation I can perform on the sheet. Okay. But I can modify the sheet. I can modify the contents of sheet. Okay. So here you can see I am deleting this. Now this is permitted because I have protected my workbook. Means I am not giving the permission to the user to add new worksheet, worksheet, or delete any existing worksheet. Okay, but modifications are possible. So again, you can protect your sheet also. Again, you can select the protect sheet. So you can same process. Okay, so NES 1 2 3. Okay, NES 1 2 3. Again, okay. Now this sheet is again protected. So this is protected. Okay, I cannot make any modifications. Okay, so again I will unprotect this NES 1 2 3. So I have unprotected this. Okay, now I can delete this. Okay, but here I cannot modify the workbook. I cannot modify the workbook. Now you can see here. So every option is disabled. Now I will unprotect this. Unprotect the workbook. SCN 1 2 3. Okay. Now this is unprotected. Now you can see here again. I will click on this. Now every option is enabled. Here every option is enabled. Means I can insert a new sheet. I can delete the existing sheet. I can rename the sheet, move everything. Every options are now permissible. So you can insert the new sheet. You can delete the new sheet and so on. Okay. So these are the two different options that are available with the worksheet. Protection of the worksheet. Now the next option, that is the share workbook. Okay. So many times what happens, suppose you have created one workbook. You have created one workbook, and in single workbook you have inserted or you have created the different worksheets. Okay. For BSc first year, you have created one worksheet. For BSc second year, another. BSc third year, third. MSc first year, MSc second year, and so on. So likewise, class wise, you have created the worksheets. Okay. Now many times what happens, we want to perform some operations on all the sheets. Okay. So single user can work on a single sheet, on only single sheet at a time. म्हणजे एका वेळेस फक्त एका शीटवर मी काम करू शकतो. जसं मी ही शीट ओपन केली असेल, ओके, तर मी याच्यावरच काम करू शकेल. शीट 2 ओपन केली, शीट 2 वरच करू शकेल. शीट 3 ओपन केली, लाईकवाईज. ओके, मला काय करायचंय, मी ज्या 5 शीट्स ऍड केलेल्या आहेत, बीएससी फर्स्ट इयर, सेकंड इयर, थर्ड इयर, एमएससी फर्स्ट इयर, एमएससी सेकंड इयर, ह्या 5 शीटवर मला वेगळे वेगळे ऑपरेशन्स परफॉर्म करायचे. ओके, सो व्हॉट आय कॅन डू, आय कॅन शेअर माय वर्कबुक अमॉंग द डिफरंट युजर्स. मी काय करू शकतो, माझं जे वर्कबुक दिलेलं आहे, ओके, आय कॅन शेअर इट अमॉंग द डिफरंट युजर्स. ओके, अँड सायमल्टेनियसली ऑल द युजर्स कॅन परफॉर्म डिफरंट मॉडिफिकेशन्स ऑन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर वर्कबुक. पण ह्याच्यासाठी यू शुड हॅव द नेटवर्क. ओके, तुमचं जे सिस्टीम आहे, तुमचं जे कॉम्प्युटर आहे किंवा तुमचा जो लॅपटॉप आहे, हा नेटवर्क मध्ये असणं आवश्यक आहे. ओके, अदरवाइज यू आर नॉट एबल टू शेअर द वर्कबुक. ओके, आता याला शेअर कसं करणार, तो क्लिक ऑन दी शेअर. ओके, आता ह्याच्या खाली इट इज शोइंग ओनली वन सिस्टीम हिअर. इथे फक्त एकच सिस्टीम दाखवतो. जर तुमचं नेटवर्क असेल, ओके, इट विल शो द लिस्ट ऑफ सिस्टीम्स दॅट आर प्रेझेंट इन द नेटवर्क. नेटवर्क मध्ये तुमच्या किती सिस्टीम आहेत तो काय करेल, त्याची इथे लिस्ट दाखवेल. ओके, सो यू कॅन सिलेक्ट दिस, you can select this, you can select this and select on the OK. Now your worksheet can be shared among the different users. जेवढ्या तुम्ही इथे सिलेक्ट केलेले आहेत त्या सगळ्यांमध्ये तुमची जी शीट आहे म्हणजे तुमचं वर्कबुक आहे दॅट विल बी शेअर्ड. ओके, आणि एकदा तुमचं वर्कबुक शेअर झालं, सायमल्टेनियसली ऑल द युजर्स कॅन मेक द मॉडिफिकेशन. आणि जेव्हा जेव्हा ते सेव्ह होतील, ओके, ते एकाच फाईलमध्ये सेव्ह होतील. ओके, इट विल नॉट क्रिएट द डुप्लिकेट फाईल. सगळे जे मॉडिफिकेशन्स आहेत they will be saved in a single file. Okay, so this is the but note for this option you need a network असल्याशिवाय तुम्हाला फाईल शेअरिंग करता येत नाही. Okay, so all these are the options: protect and share, allow user to edit the range. Okay, so here you can select the cells. I will select this range. I will select range password. Yes, sorry. SCN123. SCN123. Okay, and apply. And okay. Permissions. Okay. No, it is for network actually. It is not for symbol because see here symbol is shown. It is for network actually. Okay, this is for single user. This is for network user. So that's why it is not working. So all these are the options that are available with the review. Okay, so in exam question may be asked, explain in detail review tab in Excel or review menu in MS Excel. So you have to explain all these things, that is proofing, language, comment and changes. Okay, so remember all these words. Then one more option, that is view. So already I have explained, that is view. So this is a normal view. Okay, so page layout view. So this is a page layout view in which it will display the contents which will be displayed on a single page. Okay, so this is a page view, page layout view. So whenever you will use the print command, so it will print the first this matter on the first page, this matter on the second page, and so on. Then after that, page break view. Okay, so again see here, this is the first page, this is the second page. So whenever multiple sheets are there, it will show the page wise sheet on your screen. Then full screen, so it will hide the menu. Okay, it will hide the menu and only sheet will be displayed. So press escape key to come back into the menu. Then grid lines. So normal view, grid lines. So see here, you can see. So it will show the grid lines or hide the grid lines. Okay, formula bar, hide or display. So many times you need not to require this formula bar, so you can hide that, or again you can show that. Headings, Okay, that is, it will display the headings of rows and column or hide the headings. Okay, then zoom. Okay, so zoom to selection. Okay, 100%. Then new window, you can create a new window here. Okay, then your workspace, switch to windows not necessary. So arrange all. So all these are the options that are available with the view. So commonly we are using these four options, that is normal view, page layout view. जर तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये प्रश्न विचारला, explain the different views in Microsoft Excel, then you have to write these views, that is normal view, page layout view, page break preview, custom views, and full screen. So these are the views of Excel. So I think most of the things that I have covered: home, insert, page layout, formula, data. Okay, just review. I have explained page layout. So all these are things that I have explained. So have anybody tries for the assignments? Assignment तुम्हाला मिळाला का? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you got the assignments?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Have you prepared for that?
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व किए क्या पूरे, जितने भी मैंने 3-4 असाइनमेंट जो भी दिए हैं?
पूरे सॉल्व नहीं किया सर.
पूरे सॉल्व नहीं किए? ओके, one more assignment is there. Just 1 minute. क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से एक्सेल का मैक्सिमम पार्ट मैंने कवर किया है. दिसते का तुम्हाला? Are you able to see assignment number 5?
No, sir.
No?
My Excel sheet is there.
Okay, okay. I will share that. आता दिसते?
Yes, sir.
So this is your assignment number 5. What is pivot table in MS Excel? Explain different steps required for creating the pivot table. Okay. Explain the concept of OLE in MS Excel. Now, do you know what is OLE? Because in MS Word, in MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, same thing is there. What is OLE? Do you know? वर्ड किंवा पॉवरपॉइंट मध्ये झालंय का ओएलई म्हणजे काय? So OLE stands for, anybody? Object linking and embedding. Object linking and embedding. So this is one of the options that I will show you and discuss data grouping with example. So already I have explained this, how to group the data. Your data should be sorted, and accordingly row wise or column wise you can create the group of your data. Okay, and then you can calculate the subtotals. All these options I have shown you. So I will show this OLE, what is object linking and embedding. So this is your fifth assignment. So these are the 5 assignments that you have to solve for this Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel साठी तुमचे हे 5 असाइनमेंट असतील. ओके, तर तुम्हाला हे 5 असाइनमेंट सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहेत. की ऑलरेडी मी मागच्या वर्षी सुद्धा हेच असाइनमेंट दिलेले आहे, त्याच्यामुळे इथे इयर तुम्हाला 2021-22 दिसेल. सेम असाइनमेंट आहे. So you can take the screenshot or I will share it with Marathi sir. Okay. Again, we will move on the Excel sheet. Now see here, what is the object linking and embedding. So object linking and embedding is nothing but it is link or it is insert a new object from the another application to the Excel sheet. Okay, for example, suppose I will move cursor here. I will click on the object. Okay, now see, you can see here what are the different options. That is bitmap image, Microsoft equation, graph chart, PowerPoint presentation. Actually, see how to manage your worksheet. It depends upon you. आपण मायक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेलच्या शीट मध्ये पॉवरपॉइंटचं प्रेझेंटेशन ऍड करत नाही जनरली. ओके, बट दे हॅव गिवन ऑल दीज ऑप्शन्स. Image you can insert, so bitmap image. Okay, okay, now it will ask you from where you want to here insert. Now see here what
सर स्क्रीन दिसत नाहीये.
अरे पॉज कसं काय झाली, एक मिनिट. मध्ये मध्ये काय होतं मध्ये. आता दिसते.
येस सर.
आता इथे बघा, मी काय करतो, ऑब्जेक्ट, ओके, आणि bitmap image. Okay, so immediately what it will do, whenever I will click on the OK button, okay, so it will embed my application. It will embed means it will connect my application with the what, paintbrush. ओके, म्हणजे माझ्या ऍप्लिकेशन मधून त्यांनी मला त्याला कशाशी कनेक्ट करून दिलंय, पेंटब्रश सोबत. नाउ हियर आय कॅन मॉडिफाय or open any image. JPG image. Okay, actually I have to insert here image first. I have to insert image first here. G drive, work from home, all images are here. Work from home, picture signs and images, this particular, and insert. Okay, now I will, okay, so here you can create your own image like this. this image is inserted here. So you can create the image in Excel, sorry, in Paintbrush, and you can insert here. Okay, so this is the image that I have created in Paintbrush, and I have inserted here. So this concept is called as a OLE. म्हणजे आपण काय करू शकतो की दुसरं ऍप्लिकेशन आपण एक्सेलच्या शीट मध्ये ऍड करू शकतो. म्हणजे फक्त एक्सेल मध्येच नाही, दिस फॅसिलिटीज अवेलेबल इन ऑल ऍप्लिकेशन्स. म्हणजे वर्ड मध्ये सुद्धा फॅसिलिटी आहे, एक्सेल मध्ये आहे, पॉवर पॉइंट मध्ये आहे, अँड सो ऑन. ओके, सो फ्रॉम हिअर आय कॅन इन्सर्ट दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. आता याच्यामध्ये वेगळे वेगळे ऑब्जेक्ट्स आहेत. पॉवर पॉइंट स्लाइड और Microsoft Word document. So see here, directly I have reached to Microsoft Word. So I can type here. So here it is inserted. Okay, inserted here. Okay, so this is, double click on this, it will be open in MS Word. Okay, ह्याला सुद्धा तुम्ही जर डबल क्लिक केलं, ऑटोमॅटिकली इट विल बी ओपन इन PowerPoint, सॉरी, Paintbrush. ओके, ह्या कन्सेप्टला आपण काय म्हणतो, इट इज कॉल्ड एज ऑब्जेक्ट लिंकिंग अँड एम्बेडिंग, OLE. ओके, दुसऱ्या ऍप्लिकेशनला आपल्या ऍप्लिकेशन सोबत लिंक करणं, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज ऑब्जेक्ट लिंकिंग अँड एम्बेडिंग. So again, number of options are there in this object. Okay, याच्यामध्ये पाहू शकता तुम्ही काय काय याच्यामध्ये इन्सर्ट करू शकता. त्याच्यानंतर अजून एक याच्यात ऑप्शन असा आहे, आपण याला म्हणतो हायपरलिंक. डू यू नो व्हॉट इज हायपरलिंक? हायपरलिंक म्हणजे माहिती आहे? So see here, I will click on the hyperlink. Okay, hyperlink is nothing but it is a linking to another object. For example, what I will do, so I will make the hyperlink with this assignment, suppose 5. Where is that? Okay, assignment 5 in Word, no problem, and okay. Okay, now immediately this text, it is हॅलो, आवाज येतोय? हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
हा शेअरिंग क्लोज केलं माझं. गणेश गणेश होस्ट करा मला. हॅलो गणेश. गणेश हॅलो. एक मिनिट मी कॉल करून सांगतो. Okay. So what I have done here. So once again I will remove this hyperlink. Okay. So this is one of the text that I have typed. Okay. So whenever I will click on this text, okay, it should be linked to the another particular document that is called as a hyperlinking. So I will click on this text. I will click on the hyperlinking. Okay. And I will link this particular text with this assignment 5 and okay. Okay. Now immediately this will be converted into blue line. Okay. So when you move the cursor here, it will show the hand symbol. That is, it is linked with the another document. Okay. So what I will do, I will click on this. Okay. Immediately my document will be open. जे डॉक्युमेंट मी त्या टेक्स्ट सोबत जे लिंक केलेलं आहे, हायपर लिंक केलेलं आहे, दॅट डॉक्युमेंट विल बी ओपन. आता हे मी इथे काय केलंय, व्हॉट आय हॅव डन, ऍक्च्युअली आय हॅव लिंक माय टेक्स्ट विथ दी डॉक्युमेंट विच इज प्रेझेंट इन माय सिस्टीम. ओके. तर तुम्ही लिंकिंग ही इंटरनेटच्या एखाद्या साईट सोबत सुद्धा करू शकता. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल मी काय करतो, समजा ही एक वेबसाईट आहे, मी त्याच्या ऍड्रेस कॉपी करतो. आपल्या विद्यापीठाची साईट आहे srtmun.ac.in. मी आता याची लिंक कॉपी केली. आता इथे काय करायचंय मला, सपोज srtmun. ओके. So I want to link this text, hyperlink this text with our university website. So what I will do, I will click on the hyperlink. Okay. And at the bottom you will see the address. इथं ऍड्रेस लिहिलेला आहे. मी काय करेल, मी जो कॉपी केलेला ऍड्रेस आहे srtmun चा, तो इथं पेस्ट करेल, कंट्रोल V. ओके. मी ऍड्रेस पेस्ट केलाय आणि फक्त आता याला ओके म्हणेल. ओके. ओके म्हणल्यानंतर if you see properly, this is converted into again red line, blue line. So simply I will click on this srtmun. Now it will open the srtmun site. So automatically my website is open. So this is called as a hyperlinking. याला आपण काय म्हणतो, hyperlinking. तर ही फॅसिलिटी वर्ड मध्ये आहे, एक्सेल मध्ये आहे, पॉवर पॉइंट मध्ये आहे. ओके. सो ऍक्च्युली ह्या पॅकेज मध्ये मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर कॉमन. म्हणजे बरेचसे मेनू ह्याच्यामध्ये कॉमन आहेत. वर्ड मध्ये तेच आहेत, एक्सेल मध्ये तेच आहेत, पॉवर पॉइंट मध्ये तेच आहेत. ओके. फक्त स्पेसिफिक जे ऍप्लिकेशन आहे, जे आता डेटा अनालिसिस असेल, तर ते तुम्हाला वर्ड मध्ये नाही भेटणार, ते एक्सेल मध्ये भेटेल. ओके. किंवा प्रेझेंटेशन, अॅनिमेशन वगैरे जे आहे ते तुम्हाला पॉवर पॉईंट मध्ये भेटेल, ते तुम्हाला एक्सेल मध्ये नाही भेटणार. अदरवाईज मोस्ट ऑफ दी मेनूज आर सिमिलर. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये मग तुमचं अलाइनमेंट असेल, इन्सर्ट टॅब असेल, पेज प्रिव्ह्यू असेल, किंवा मग तुमचं पेज ओरिएंटेशन असेल. मोस्ट ऑफ दी मेनूज आर कॉमन. फक्त जे स्पेसिफिक आहेत त्या ऍप्लिकेशनसाठी तेवढेच ऑप्शन्स हे वेगळे आहेत, बाकीचे ऑप्शन्स हे कॉमन. ओके ओके, इज इट क्लिअर ऑल ऑफ यू? ओके, याला आपण हायपर लिंकिंग म्हणतो. जवळपास माझ्या माहितीप्रमाणे तर जवळपास सगळे मेनू झालेले आहेत. हा. Okay, shall we stop today? Any questions? Yes. Any question? So shall I hand over to Dubey sir? Okay. So shall we stop today? एक 2 मिनिट, दुबे सर जॉइन होता है. Just 2 minutes.
हेलो पत्की सर.
हाँ सर, बोलो सर.
हाँ.
हाँ सर, दुबे सर होता है जॉइन. एक 2 मिनिट.
ओके
हाँ हाँ.
ओके सर. ओके
हो सर. आहे तर बाजूलाच आहेत माझ्या, जॉइन होत आहेत ते.
ओके ओके. सो thank you very much sir for giving informative lecture for our research student.
थँक्यू सर.
Thank you very much sir. सर एखादं हे द्या ना आपल्याला असाइनमेंट द्यावं लागेल आज.
मी असाइनमेंट सांगितले सर त्यांना 5. मी काय करतो, तुम्हाला शेअर करतो, तुम्ही ग्रुपवर शेअर करून टाका सर.
ओके ओके. हा
आता हे लेक्चर झालं ना माझं, मी लगेच तुम्हाला शेअर करतो.
चालेल सर चालेल.
हा, तसं मी काल त्यांना दिलेले असाइनमेंट परवाच्या दिवशी, ते
ओके,
सॉल्व्ह
ओके.
करतायत सर ते. हा
हो हो
चालेल.
ठीक आहे सर. ओके थँक्यू सर.
हो.
हो.
व्हिडिओ चालू ठेवता का तुमचा फक्त आपला फोटो
दिलीप सेकंड इयरच्या मुली आहेत त्यांना बोलव आता वापरून करून घे.
Hello, dear participants. Today we have with us Dr. Jay Prakash Dubey sir for this session. I welcome Dr. Dubey sir on behalf of all the participants and Research Committee Science College Nanded. Welcome sir. And I request
Thank
Dr.
you, sir.
Dubey sir for delivering his lecture. Over to you sir.
थँक्यू सर थँक्यू
Okay.
So it's my request to make me host. Currently, who is host?
1 minute. Ganesh. I request Ganesh Gatod. Ganesh, please make host to Dubey sir. Sir, 1 minute मी कॉल करतो गणेशला.
Sure, sir.
Sir, your co-host now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So, good afternoon to all you. If you remember, in the last session, we are discussing about the insert tab. Is it? And insert tab we have completed up to the link group. Now today we will continue ahead of it, that is headers and footers, text and symbols. These three groups are there which are to be discussed today. Clear? I hope you listen me clearly. In the last session or lecture, we have discussed about cross references. Which is the last option in links under insert tab. Okay. Now the next group is headers and footers under insert tab. Okay. Insert tab. Header and footer. So everyone is well familiar about headers and footer. The section of your document, which is partitioned into three parts, that is first one header, second one your main document, and third one is the footer. Okay. So this is the header. This part is the header one, and this is the footer one, and this is the actual text, actual matter. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about these headers and footers, where we can put our headers, we can insert our footers or footnotes, or in some cases we have to insert page numbers. Which one is very important for our
काही टेन्शन घेऊ नका
writing?
सुरू केलंय आता सुरू झालंय आता बघू
So it's my request to make your mic mute and just listen and okay. So while attending these lectures, please don't get yourself disturbed by your families. It's my request. And attention on the lecture. Please keep attention towards lectures. Okay. This one is very important. I think when I am a research student, such information is very important for me, and such information cannot be get by anyone. So you have to attend these lectures very carefully and with attention. Once these sessions are completed, you cannot get this information from anywhere. And also we are giving you the information how to write the answers in exams. So please attend these all sessions. So what I'm speaking, I'm saying that header and footer, which is the important part of our document, particularly page numbers are very important, and also header and footer are also important. Whatever the matter you want to keep in header, that matter will be displayed on all pages of the header as well as footers. Head note or footnotes are to be inserted respectively in the headers and footers. Okay, so header and footer is the fifth group in the insert tab. As you know, this group contains mainly three types of options regarding to header and footer, which are header, footer, and page number. Header 1, then footer, and page number. Such three options are present here in this group, that is header and footer, which will look like this. Okay. So you can also see in my screen at the top side of my screen, this one where my mouse cursor is moving here. This one, header, footer, and page number. So you can make your document look professional and polished by utilizing the header and footer section. The header is the section of the document that appears in the top margin, while the footer is section of the document that appears at the bottom margin. Header and footer generally contains information such as page numbers, date, document name, author name, then titles, your chapter names, etc. can be put to your header and footer. So which will give you the more detail, more information about that your document and the section of your documents, which will give us more detailed information about your document or that page number, pages. Okay, for that purpose we use header and footer. Now, how to insert the header and footer? How to insert a header or footer? So it's very simple. Just select the insert tab. Here I have written the steps how to insert the header and footer. Just click on insert tab as like here. Suppose you are in home tab. Now click on insert. Go to the header and footer. Suppose you want to insert header. Click on header. Click either the header or footer command or option. A menu appears which lists list of built-in options you can use like this. These are the options. If we look at the first option, this one, this is the header, which will be at the top left corner of your page, top left corner of your margin. Got it? Here, the three sections are there. and which are at the topmost side of your margin. This is one of the style, and these are the different styles which you can insert. So you can try any one of these as per your requirement. Very stylish headers and footers are available here, and you can select any one as per your requirement and you can use it. Suppose I select this one, so you can see type of the document type the document title. Here we can type what is my section. This is what office, MS Office, suppose MS Office 2007, and this one is the year. Suppose you can select the date from here, and just and now select. In this way you can put the header, and you can see these headers are on every page of my document. Got it? Look at here. In this way you can put any header style as per your requirement, as per your desire, or as per your what choice. Okay. So in this way. Now suppose I want to remove that header. How to remove it? Again, click on insert, go to the header and pager and remove. Here one of the option is there, that is remove header. If I click on it, the header will be removed from my document. Now you can see the headers are not there in my document as I have clicked on remove header. Okay. In this way you can also remove. In the same manner, you can insert footers in your documents. So also you can use header and footer for titles, headings, the theme of your document. Such a matter can be typed here in the headers and footers. Also you can particularly date, page numbers, then author names can be put into the header or footer. As per your requirement, as per your choice, you can put anything at the header and footer, which will be displayed on every page of your document. Any number of pages contained in your document, all that pages will have the header and footer once you insert it. Got it? Any question? Anyone? Any question? Okay. So once again, I will show you how to insert footer. So these are the styles for footer, and you can select any one as per your choice and click on it. That will be inserted to your bottom. Suppose I select this, type the company address page. If the documents are regarding the company, you can put it, or just also suppose I want to remove it, remove the footer, and suppose you want to just put your text as your heading or footer, so you can go to your bottom of the document or page, sorry, to the page, double click on it. Here you can see footer section 2, same as previous, etc. So here you can type your matter. Suppose this is my MS Word notes 2007. Now you can see such type of matter can also be included at the footer as well as header. Clear? Again, you can edit just by double clicking on here, and you can remove also. Okay. Clear? Now, one of the most important part of your documentation is to insert the page numbers to your document, which is very important, which will be very helpful for managing your document by page numbers. So again, you can see this third option, that is page number, is present here in the header and footer group. Okay, from anywhere, if you select this page number option, and it will show where you want to put the page numbers. Here are some options: top of page, bottom of page, page margins, current position, etc. Where is your mouse pointer? That is your current position. At that location, the page number can be inserted. As I recommend you to use bottom right corner to put page numbers, or center, bottom center. You can use. This is the standard way. This one or this one. Okay. I hope. I think to my document there is no page number, so I will show you how to insert page numbers. So what are the steps? Just suppose you are in home, click on insert tab, go to the header and footer, select page number here, and select the option that is bottom page, and this one. It will be this one. Now, if you look at the beginning of this document, you will see that page number on every page. Okay. Sorry. This is the first one. You can see here the second, third, fourth, fifth, like this, up to the end of your document. 46 pages are there. As you can see here, pages 46 of 46. Now I am on 46th page, and this is the 46th page number. In this way, we can put or insert page numbers. Now you can change the style of your page numbers. So how to do it? Just click on header, footer, and formatting page number. So number formatting, this one is. Then include character number, chapter number, excluding chapter number, etc. You can use. Number formatting, this one, one like this. This number of options are there which you can apply. This is simple one. This is somewhat, just you can see what happens. Two hyphens are showing to left as well as right of the page number. If you look clearly, this one. Okay, I hope you you are tracking my screen. You are watching my screen clear cut, and you will get understand. Okay, in this way we can choose the styles. So can we increase the size of font page number? Is it possible to increase? I think start at. You can put start at third, fourth, fifth. Suppose I put it on 10, it will start from 10. Look at the first page. First, okay. this is not in excluding, this one is in 11, 10, 12, 13, 14, etc. Just I remove it. Page numbers, remove page numbers. In this way, we can insert as well as remove the page numbers. You can put page numbers anywhere in your document. That can be at the top, at the bottom, in the margins, current position, etc. And remove and format. Format is giving us the options regarding number format, include chapter numbers, headings, etc. and start at. So start at can be used where you want to use different page numbers. That is like Roman, ABC, etc. At that time, you can use sections. Start at. Suppose you want to put some different. Can we? Is it possible? Suppose I select the first. This is somewhat difficult to select one. Okay, how many pages? Bottom. Sorry, one. And the effect is not showing here. So what I want to show you that different type of page numbers can be included into the same document by creating the sections, which I have told you in early early lectures. I will show you in the last lecture how to do it. Now today we have discussed how to insert page numbers to all documents. Okay. So in this way, we can use headers and footers. Now, the next part is what? Text in insert. Text. So text. The sixth group in the insert tab of Word 2007 is text. Text box. This one. Text. It contains text box, quick parts, word art, then drop cap, then signature line, date and time, and object. Such options are present here in the text box, the text group of insert tab. Clear? So how to insert text box? It's very simple. At which location you want to insert the text box, go there and click once, or select the section of your document where you want to put the text box. Suppose I want to put here at the. Can you see my cursor? Look at my cursor. I have clicked here and moved my cursor at this location. Now I click on text box. number of options are present with various styles. Okay. Suppose I click simple text box. You can see here, I have inserted where you can type any matter in detail about the details of your document, or this is one of the most important facility provided in MS Word, that you can move this text box at anywhere in your document, at any, on any page, and on any part of your document. Suppose I want to move to this location, I can move anywhere and of any size. It can be large as large of your page and small as small, like this one. Of any size you can make it. Okay. And once I have inserted, you can see the properties ribbon of this text box. This one is the proper, these are the properties where I can select text box style like this, like this, like this. Any style I can select. Then shape, fill shape with different colors. No fill, this like this. Any color you can select. Then shape outline. Suppose I select this one. Can you see the difference? What is the outline is changed here, and the inner side is with different color. Okay. Just to see the property, just click on that object, that is text box. It will show its properties. You will also, we can change the shape like this. Okay. And then you can show the effects, that is shadow effects. Shadow effects you can apply like this, any effect as per your requirement, which will make your document more and more attractive. These are the shadow effects. 3D effect is also shown here. Okay. You can use any one to make your document more attractive. But I recommend you to use all these options very carefully to document your thesis, to type your thesis while creating your thesis, typing your thesis. You have to take care. That's why your document will be professional. Document will be more attractive and simple and sober, which will not be more complex and somewhat giz like. So you have to take care about that. It will be some standard one where it is essential at that position, use that options of the MS Word. Otherwise, don't use. It's my request. Okay. So all these options are there. You can use with your text box, and where you can type your matter. Okay. And to remove this, how to move? This is the cursor which is showing you to move the object, move the text box. And when I click on these circles, tiny circles, you will see that I can resize or change its size, small as well as larger one. Okay. So these are the properties of text box. Now I delete it. Just select one and delete. It will be removed, or right click and cut. It will be disappear. Okay. In this way, we can insert what? Text box. Then we come across what? Word art. A trick part is also there. Insert reusable pieces of content, including fields, documents, titles, and authors. Or any promise. Then word art is there, which is very amazing text art provided to you by MS Word with all these styles. But even I recommend you not to use all these. Whenever it is must, then and then use it. Otherwise, avoid to use all these arts. Because in case of our thesis writing, we did not require all these types of arts. Okay. Then this one is important one. So this drop cap option will make the starting alphabet of your document as capital one and larger one. So now if I select my document, then it will get activated, and you can see this one, this type of style you can apply to your document. So suppose I select this one. Look at this. Suppose like this. Now this is one of the professional art to make your document professional one. For that purpose, these are used. Okay. So if you have seen such type of settings in your books, in any book, what is its important? It's not any. It has not any importance. It's just professional documentation settings. Nothing at all. So we can use this. If you want, if you like to show to see the effects of word art, then and then I will show you. Otherwise, I avoid it. Would you like to see? Please reply. Would you like to see the word art? Just reply. Otherwise, I will avoid it. Anyone? Yes, someone is. Okay. So very simple. Suppose this is my word text which I want to make it as word art. Just select that text. Just select, then click on word art and choose anyone. So you can see that from where you can change the size, font type. There is the font type. Choose anyone. Then size, make it bold or italic as per your requirement, and just leave it. Click on OK. You can see now it was changed. And also you can adjust its size by dragging it toward add. Okay. It has some properties. So like this. Okay. It has some options. Shadow, as per the text box, the same properties are given here. Spacing, edit, spacing one. All these options are provided. You can shape, use any color, fill color. It will apply to the back one, back side of that page. Okay. Like this. Okay. So scaling, shapes, then shadows, such options are also present for this text art also, word art. Decorative text into the document. How to insert? Drop cap. Next one is what? Drop cap. I have shown you already. This is the effect. And at last, the symbols option is present. Symbols. So, sorry, I think the signature line, date and time, and objects. These are the some points which I have missed. So I would like to explain it. So signature line. So once I click on it, signature line can be typed here. Digital signature can be put into your document. Okay. So digital signature concept is very separate, important and different one. Once you have obtained a digital signature, that can be put here. The date and time, which is important one, you can insert any date and time, any type format of date and time. These are the available formats. Out of that, use any one. Just click where you want to put the date. Suppose I have clicked here and click on date and time, and suppose this one. So you can see. And make its size smaller. In this way, you can put date and time. Okay. You did not require to type separately date once you select the date. Object, if any type of object you want to insert into your document, that is Acrobat tab. These are the object types. So you can add that one also. So this is about what? Text. And at last we come to symbols, which is having two types of symbols, equation and symbol. So many times if you are writing research paper or documenting thesis about with mathematics, then you need to use these symbols. Okay. Different types of symbols are present here. Now you have to take care about it is the symbols will be different for different font and equations like these options are there, and insert new equation you can create from here the new equation box. You can create the equations. Okay. Suppose I want to type here the equation, new equation. Suppose x under root x equal to is by default one. Then like this, you can type your equations. Okay. How to open? Just click on, very important one. Click on insert, go to the equations and click on insert new equation. In this way you can write and create your own equations. I would like to tell you that one of the equation writer add-on is present for MS Word, that is math type. You can use that one. In the last lectures, in the last session, tomorrow, or if we get the extra time, then I will explain about it in detail. Math type software or update is there for MS Word, which help us to type any mathematical equation. Clear? And also, or you can use this equation option to type equations. And now the last option of this insert tab is symbol. So many of the symbols are present here. More symbols you can use from here. It depends on the font type. On the selection of font type, you will get different symbols. So you are already familiar with all these font types. Then you can select a particular or specific symbol. So it matters that as per your font type, you will get the symbols. Okay. Such a symbols are there. Maybe possible that in the theory exam you will get asked that how to insert symbol into the MS Word. At that time you have to explain all these steps. Okay. How they will not ask you about any specific symbol, but it can be asked in the exam that how to insert symbol in MS Word. So very simple. Just explain all these steps like this. Click on insert, go to the symbols, select, click on symbol option and click on more options. These are the symbols which are recently I have used. These are shown here. And if you click on more symbols option, you will see a symbol dialog box which is showing us a number of different symbols as per your font type. and these are some special symbols. Except this, there is no any special symbol, and there are some shortcut keys to insert such symbols. That is, Alt plus Control plus num will tilt symbol will be inserted, hyphen, then small hyphen, non-breaking hyphen, n dash, then optional hyphen, hyphenations I have told you, copyright, registered, etc. Rupees is not there. RS, no. Such special symbols are there, and you can insert it into your document. Got it? Anyone, any question? So up till now, we have seen near about files. Once again, I would like to explain various types of various ways to create the Word document. In short, we have just 5 to 7 minutes. I will tell you various ways to create the MS Word file. If you are in Windows 10, click on Windows option, from where application list will be displayed. You can select Microsoft Office, then select the Microsoft Word option. Where is it? Microsoft Clip, Microsoft. This is a suite. So this is a Microsoft Word 2010. Click on it, and you can see Word document is open for me. Okay. In this way, we can create a new document. Again, one more method. Just click on here. Click on the search button. MICROSOFT Word option. It will show that application here. From here or here, you can select and click on it. Again, it will open the Microsoft Word document. Okay. One more option, one more way. Just click where you want to create the MS Word. Click right button. Click the right button. Click on new option. It will show you the options that click on the Microsoft Word document option. File is created here. Assign a particular name, my new file. Generally, do not leave space in while assigning the names to any document file or any file. Then double click on it. That file will be open. Okay. Again, one more option. If you are already opened your MS Word, click on File, click on New. Select the options, which type of document you want to create. Suppose I want to create blank document, click on here, and new document file will be open for you. Okay. In this way, we can create a new document file for us. If anyone know any other method, just share with us. Okay. Got it? In the next lecture, we'll discuss about the references tab, which one is important for your thesis writing, then research paper writing, which will cover table of content, add text, update table, then footnotes. What is the difference between footnote and footer? Okay. Which one is very important? Then citations, various types of citations. These are the options. APA, Chicago, GB77, IEEE, which one is not present here. So we can add that one also here in. I will show you. Then insert captions to images, etc. Tables, captions to tables, cross references, which we have seen here also in the insert tab. The same option is present in references also. Then index, and then table of authority. So we will discuss all these in next lecture. Okay, thank you. Anyone, any question, please?
हॅलो हॅलो, आवाज येतोय सर?
Hello, sir.
Okay. So, dear participants, if you have any queries, please ask. Hello. So I think
to ask. Please ask any question.
प्रश्न असतील तर विचारा. Otherwise, we will stop. So on behalf of all the participants and research committee, I must express my gratitude towards Dr. Dubey sir for giving very nice and informative lecture on computer science. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, बंद करायचं का?
हो, एक मिनिट. And we will meet at tomorrow morning 11 AM. So I